We're gonna see how this goes. So I hope that this works alright. We're gonna be playing Noita today, because it's an easy game that I like to play, and I don't think it'll be that too like up. Where the I don't think I could turn the. Can I turn the graphics down? Well, that definitely did help. I actually kind of like this because now I can see for once. Oh my, just no, don't. All right, goodbye, I guess. I'm gonna blow this bitch up. Get on fire. Or you're just gonna yoink. These boom booms. Oh. There's like a cave, like a deep cave in the first thing that I want to go. That's a frog! No, wait, I don't want to kill the frog! Unless it tries to kill me. Actually, you know what? We're killing the frog. No, it wants to kill me. That did not hit the frog. Holy sh! Why did the frog just like die? No. Oh, I did it! Oh no! I need that! No! The coins! The coins! Oh, there's more. Yeah! That! The collapsed mines. Oh, I see. A dude I really don't want to deal with. I should not be down here. Uh-oh. No. I don't want to. He needs to die. Thank you. Oh my god. I hate. You leave this toxic sludge, and it hurts you, and I hate it. Boom boom. Bonk. Coin. Yoink. No, I don't really go. I don't want to go in the nether portal. I don't want to go into the nether. No. Enter a holy mountain. Is that what it's been called this entire time and I just haven't been paying attention? See now? It's just on fire. That did not do what I wanted it to do. Now I'm sad. Okay, one last shot. I really hope it just opens it up, because if it doesn't, I'm going to cry. Oh, hell yeah, it opened it up. Let's go! Water. Circle of Thunder. That sounds, kind of scared. Let's see what it does. Ooh. Is that useful? Hello. Bones. Explodies. There's a couple of things. Oh, I don't like the sound. Oh no, I open. Wait, is that weird unstable teleportation? Oh no, why did I open it? Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh. Oops. So, I poked a hole in that, and now it's just empty. So I'm wondering, if I yoink that, can I put whatever the fuck I want in it? Yoink. Whee! Cannot pick empty potion, get rid of an item for its space. Okay. I forgot F was kick. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. Oh, I didn't mean to kick! I didn't mean to do that. Can I pick it up? Oh, well, I kicked it. So now... someone make a relatable meme. If only I had fire. 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 fire, but with an A at the end of it. Because I'm dyslexic? Oh, oh no, it's the big eye. I think not. We're not gonna deal with you. Ooh! Oh, that's a frog. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't want to kill the frogs. It seems as if, oh no. This better not be a dead end. Oh, thank f***. Holy crap. Oh, get in the nether portal. Holy crap. Ah. Bonk. Bonk. Who the f*** is blowing up already? But it seems as if the game hates me. You gain a small snail permanent shield? What? Oh! You gain a small permanent shield! Why am I dyslexic? Holy crap. Snail. You gain a snail. Bye bye little thing, I hope you blow up. Here, have some fire. And if you wanted any tips for this game, I'm gonna have to sadly tell you that I don't have any. And by that I mean, I only want to blow things up. And I've never actually beaten the game before. Can I just like, Mom. Oh, it's so laggy because I blew shit up. Hello, fellas. I'm going out with a bang. F you. Ah! Holy. Holy. Oh no. I'm on 9. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Why am I stuck? No, no, not the gremlins. Don't. Yeah, get exploded. Oh no, is there nothing down here? It seems I am on 7. No, I want to go out with a bang. F you. I'm gonna... No, that was so anticlimactic. I'm so mad.